What is... Shut up. Right, let me tell you, today is going to be a good day. Now you may be asking, why is this going to be a good day, Josh? We are actually at a Mark 1 TT event, or a TT Owners Club event. Literally there's probably about 100 so TTs here. There is so many cars. You've got the literally bog standard cars, you've got the bog standard kind of Mark 2s or Mark 1s, whatever, then you've got all the way to the top TTRSs, and I'm going to show you around every single car here. Now obviously your boy has bought his and it is looking absolutely insane. As always, we're literally just parked just down here. I'm going to start by having a look around all these different cars because like I said before, it's a huge variety. We also got Quattro Tech, shout out Quattro Tech, TT Owners Club stand, and we've got Audi as well, Peterborough just over there. Today as well, I'm hoping to win an event. If you haven't seen my old video of this, click here, you can go click there and it will show you basically I came second. But I'm hoping to get first. Number one, the car is looking absolutely insane. As well, you guys know, if you haven't seen the other video, again click here, the tyres on my other wheels basically split. So the old QS wheels are on at the minute. Not too sure on this colour. As well, if you want to see more videos kind of around TT based, I want to do more videos on this car. There's so many ideas that I've got that I want to come and put into play. Now the weather is finally beautiful. Let's go around, okay? I don't know if I'm gonna go to every single car. I'll try to go to every single car, but yeah. Let's go. So obviously we are parked here. We got here fairly early, to be fair. Here's where it kind of starts and it goes in like an arrow type of thing, so it spreads out down there and down there. As well, if you are watching this video and you did attend this event, I'm going to leave a link in the description to my Instagram where I've been taking pictures all day, so you guys can go down to the description, go and follow my Instagram, and I'll post a load of pictures on there and you guys can see your car or whatever. But this one is the same colour as mine. This is a 225. This is purely a TT as well. Go follow him. Next, again, I think it's a 225. And then we've got a TFSI, I believe, an S-Line. Got Jess's just over there. 225. Mark 2. This, beautiful. Now there's two different colours like this. So this is like the darker blue in the Mark 3 colour. And just down here, that one there, is a Mark, that one's a Mark 3, but that's an RS. But again, this one's, I don't know if you guys can see very well, but it's got red interior. It looks so cool, and it's got the virtual cockpit as well, which is definitely a must on the Mark 3. Mark 2 TTS with some nice, almost like other Bolas, but like 3DSMs, the 0.01s. Right next to that, TTS Mark 3. Next to that, this beast. Look at it. And like I said before, the paintwork. Just look at it. Just how mean this car looks. Wow. Even from the back as well. Again, this one, black interior. It's got the virtual cockpit as well. And a nice little flappy paddle gearbox as well. Cannot get over the wheels, like knives, kind of come down. They're so cool. And there's a bag of poo just there as well. Nice. So you know I was kind of saying about me wanting to win. Like this is the year I'm going to win, but I don't really know because these are the contenders. So this one here is a 3.2 V6. This is Chris's. He's had this like when he first bought the car. The whole front end of this car, it was also wrapped in PPF. So there is literally like, there is no marks on this car whatsoever. Where all of this is peppered on mine. But yeah, this car doesn't get daily driven unfortunately. But you've got Andy's, I believe this is Andy's car as well. I'm not too sure. This is Andy's yellow TT. This one has had so much done to it, and again this is purely immaculate, but all colour coded. And as well, this is kind of cool. Guys, what do you think? Do like a mod like this Look at that, details. And then in this, oh, carbon fibre. And it's got also yellow matching pole position bucket seats. Some nice BBS LMs as well. Very nice. Come on then, talk us through a few things on this.
Well, the other half stood over there, so what I've got to let you know is no modification on this car costs more than £5. In case you can hear me.
Can you hear us? She can't hear us, it's okay.
It came from the 99 print shop. But this is my yellow TT, I've had it from new. It's now 17 years old, wearing a lot better than me.
What are some of the stuff you've kind of had to replace and you've done just to make things kind of better or make things last?
Well, it's been I haven't had to replace anything because everything gets replaced that often anyway.
Yeah.
Things like I've had 5 different sets of wheels on before I settled on this set. The brakes have been replaced with uprated 6 pots.
Yep.
Bigger rear discs. It's got a front mount intercooler fitted. It's been
that's definitely something I want to do as well, a front mount.
Well, I've just got a V6 bumper arm to go on it.
Oh yeah?
But you've got to modify the V6 bumper.
Yeah.
To go around the, which
oh, okay.
I thought.
Yeah.
Just the top corners really. Just trim them off on an angle.
Other people as well watch this channel, like looking for TTs, and obviously you've done a lot to your TT. So what do you think people should look out for?
One of the main things, the 1.8 is particularly, make sure the cambel's been changed.
Yeah.
In the last 60,000.
Yeah, so
5 years.
Yeah.
And also.
So every kind of 60,000 miles is literally like the point. Or 5 years,
whichever
right?
Comes first.
Yeah.
Also, if it's done anywhere near 100,000 miles.
Yep.
There's a pickup in the sump.
Right.
To get that checked.
Right. Yeah.
That can lead to oil starvation.
Yeah.
And
that's not what you want.
Engines through that.
Yeah.
Bits of rubbish in it.
Yeah. So as well, with yours is very similar to mine, but a lot of people also delete the PCV valve and stuff like that. I've had a bit of trouble with mine where you can hear like a ooh noise coming from the air intake, whereas I replaced this and it fixed it for a while, but there's also a PCV valve just down here, and that one basically has failed as well, so that's something you could potentially look out for, but that's only just gone. I also had the N75 had issues with that, and it was over boosting, and then it will put it in limp mode, so I've sorted that. But other than that, I mean, it's fairly straightforward, isn't it?
Good service history, that's the main thing. If you're looked after. Also, the Haldex oil should be changed every 20,000.
Yep.
Oil and filter every 40,000. A lot of people forget about that.
Yep.
And some cars just haven't had it done.
Yeah. No.
That's the main thing to watch out for. That can be very expensive.
Yeah. So one thing I'll also do. Hair's all over the place. I need to get what you've got. Let's get one of them.
Well, I've got no hair under it.
Yeah.
This is to stop my head burning.
So one of the things as well I'll do, I'll leave a link in the description. You guys can go and look at that link, and it's basically like a scheduled kind of service plan that kind of people stick to. So there's one for like 20,000, 5,000 miles, 40,000 miles, and so on. So that's something that you could stick to, and like you said, a lot of the information that you've just kind of said will be on there anyway. So, but yeah, well, thank you anyway.
A few moments later.
So it's a little bit later on in the day. It's gotten so hot at the minute. It's now like 29 degrees or something stupid. Well, I see the wheels, just wait. But yeah, there's obviously the TTRS, which is just here. There's one more as well here, but this one is a little bit special. Yeah, it's like a multi, it's like a blue. You guys can see like it, yeah. It's like you've got this like blue here and then purple here, but they change colour. How cool is that? I just cannot get over the front of the TTRSs. They look insane. Carbon as well. Carbon rear wing. Wow. No. No, I'd have gone for a Nardo grey with them wheels are so cool. Alcantara steering wheel as well. Beautiful car, right next to a 225. Actually a Nardo grey one just here. But first things first, I'm gonna go and have a word with Quattro Tech because Dad wants to get his car like remapped. So I'm gonna see what they say. They say, well, oh no, sorry, it's rubbish. It's only a T. It's not a Mark 1, so they're not gonna take it. So there is a few cars that often come to these TT events. There's always one car as well that gets the most kind of views. People look at it so much, and it's this, and you can probably see why. I mean, it's blue chrome on Vossen wheels, like it just gets like everyone stares at it. It's a TTRS as well, and then you've got limited edition yellow. Not gonna lie, yellow is probably not my colour. I mean, there's this one here. There's a Mark III TTS. I don't know if you guys like that, but I'm not a big fan. But then there's this one, TTRS, and I saw this. Look at them wheels, boy. Yeah, boy. Ooh, 20 inches, boy. Damn. It's very different in like different kind of light. So this one looks really good. This one, it's a very good spec. I really like this. Rotiform wheels. It's also got the wing backs as well.
Yeah, you can tell by the interior.
Is it the plus?
Yeah, because they have that.
No, because normally it would say on here plus.
Trust me, it's a plus. Because it's got the red on it. Well, I think it's a plus.
No, I don't think it's a plus. No, because it's not got the carbon fibre wing mirrors. So it's not a plus, it's only a TTRS, but it's still super nice as well. Full honeycomb grills. I don't like, see how this here, you've got like a thing for the plate. Your boy don't like that. That is where it's at. The seat's very...
It's unusual colour, isn't it?
Is it Merlin purple? Merlin purple, oh no. Oh, yo, I feel for you, bro. Yo, whoever's done that, yo, I hate that.
That's where someone's banging the door.
This is, thank God I'm not part of the ding squad. Your boy doesn't want this. So I don't know whether you know, but if you like your car, if you take pride in your car, you will park like, say there's like loads of cars like this, like I will park like over not there, just miles and miles away. Even if I have to walk further to go to the entrance, I know that your boy is not going to be part of that ding squad because it's not something you want to go in.
Right then, the top two, very, very close indeed. By the way, there were just 2 points separating yourself from second place. So. Right, so second place is David with the 2006 P21 DJC.
Well done.
And he was worried about coming last.
Yeah. There you go.
Okay, best modified car goes to brightest car here. So the shiniest car here.
Yeah, Blingatron.
So it is the Christmas bauble. RS60 TTR just here. Best standard car. Okay, so it's not all about being modified. It's not all about, you know, all the work we've done. Sometimes just keeping a car standard is important, and half the cars here probably are standard, and it's an important part of the show. Best standard car
Dad,
goes
go on.
to
Dad, go on.
the Plymouth car here. Where's he gone? Chris Wood, 32 TT, the Kingfisher Roadster.
He might as well just stay here.
Okay, so it's on to the big one, car of the day. So this is basically irrespective of modification, standard, whatever it is, Mark 1, 2 or 3, whatever model it is, this is literally your car of the day that you vote for. So it's a car that is pretty immaculate. It is a Mark 1, so in some ways it's iconic, and it's probably the best of the Mark 1. It's a Quattro Sport, well, the model with the black roof if you don't know. So it is the red Quattro Sport over there.
Hey! Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks everyone. Right, okay, so I'll put this down.
Just hand that over, I'll take that.
Yeah, you haven't got a box.
So, let me just explain kind of what just happened. So, I think it was about three tickets in. and we won. 443 was the number, and our number was called. Now I was stood behind the person in front of me, and all I could see was this, just this here, £200 off a Revo remap. And before the thing started to go, Dad was like, I want to get that remap, but if you know, we are super unlucky. We never win anything, but I thought I'd wait in this queue, and this guy in front of me I know was going to take the Revo remap, the £200 off voucher, and then he went and got one of the die-cast cars, and I just walked up and grabbed it. We got the best thing. Like, what? We actually won something. Look, let me show them, £200 off a Revo remap at Quattrotech.
Keep that.
That means your boy is going down to Quattrotech in the start of August. You guys are going to come with me because I haven't seen a car actually be remapped before. I know obviously they can put it on a rolling road and stuff and do it from there, but I have no idea what to expect. It's going to be so cool. I'm excited to see the numbers from this. I was actually going to do it for my car, but if I was to spend the extra money, I think it's like £500 for a remap or anything, but the trouble with the Quattro Sports is that it has a Lightning flywheel and clutch, so if I did it with this, chances are I'd probably get about 30 horsepower out of it, and it won't really be worth it, and the clutch will go faster than it already is going, so no point in doing this. So I thought best thing to do, give it my dad. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. If I talk to anybody that are watching this video here, I just want to say thank you for taking the time to talk to me. Everyone's pretty much going now, as you can see. A lot of people are... Can you hear that? Somebody is caning it down there. But yeah, thank you as well for this guy. I can't remember his name. The guy with the red Quattro Sport, absolute legend. Talked to him for ages. His car is absolutely immaculate. He actually got car of the day as well. He wasn't really very confident about winning, but that guy got car of the day. Congrats to him. Chris TT is 3.2 TT, literally won pretty much everything else. Mark my words, boys, one day we're gonna beat him. But yeah, everyone's going now. We're going. Stuff all packed up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did watch this far, you're a legend. If you haven't already, we do videos like this every so often. I know the upload schedule has been not that great, but speaking to a few people here, they know me from these videos, it just encouraged me to do more. So there's gonna be more videos coming out, boys, let me tell you. Make sure as well, if you haven't already, make sure you click the subscribe button just here, just down there. Make sure you go and click that as well. Make sure you press the bell icon because you'll be notified every single time I upload. That is what you have to do, boys. I'm gonna get going because I'm knackered and we've got an hour to drive home. Thank you guys so much for watching. I've been Josh, that's been Lauren. Say hello. Say goodbye even. This has been the beautiful QS. That has been Dad's TT, who's soon to be remapped. Peace out.
Say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane. I could be your escape. Take you to a place where there's no